Okay. Hey guys, today I'm here with Dominic and Alan, and we are going to be doing the Fartboard Sound Challenge. If you don't know how this goes, basically I'm going to be playing a sound from a fartboard that I have on the laptop, and these two, for round one, are going to try to guess what that fart's name is. For round two, what they're going to do is name who in our friend group would do that fart. For round three, we're going to try not to laugh.
And you want to know why?
Smooth as butter.
You want to know why Carson knows so much about farts? It's because I've broken down his nutrition here. Carson eats 45% grains, 15% protein, and 100%.
You idiot, that doesn't add up to 1,000%.
Alright, so for round one, they're going to try to guess what the name of this fart is. Alright? Alright, ready for this? Fart number one.
I'm going to need a replay on that one, Smith. I've got a trained ear for these sorts. Yeah, that's the easy one. And an essay over there?
Yep.
Alan, what do you think that fart was called?
That was easy. It's Old Faithful. You could tell by the long, drawn-out moans and the wistful nature.
And Dom?
You know, that one I was leaning more towards a dry dairy days.
Oh my god.
That's an ice cream flavor. You can't fool me.
And I think you know why it's called the dry dairy.
So did I win?
Well, Dominic was closer, but he didn't get it, so nobody gets the points. It was called the string cheese.
Ooh, baby! Whoever gets closer gets a point, because we're never gonna get like the exact name.
I say half a point for each of us on that one.
Okay, Dominic will get a point that time. Okay, alright, fart number two, right?
Oh!
That's not a fart.
Replay.
Sounds like a flushing toilet.
That person must have had too much Taco Bell.
Bro.
Mine was masked thunder for when you feel the movement in your bowels and you know you need to hide it somehow. So you mask it using the toilet's flush.
Alright, that's a good one. Especially in public places too.
Yeah, exactly, that's the point.
That's a good one. Dom?
Hiroshima.
It was actually called Iguana Farts in a Bathtub.
Oh.
Can you hear that? It was
I thought I was the only one. That's gotta have like if you're in the person that recorded that was in the splash zone.
Yeah,
Probably.
yeah. I'd probably say Alan for that one. 1-1. I wasn't ready for it. What that sounded like?
Get us a slow motion replay there, Jeff. I need one more. Oh my god. That was something.
That sounded very similar.
I call that one a Dominic.
Alright, Alan, show us first.
I call this one the surprise because if play it one more time, Carson, I want the audience to key in on this. You can see the how should we call them? The farter in this instance. They were not expecting it, so when they did fart, they clenched a little bit at the end, thus raising it an octave. Wow.
You know, this one I thought was like a little too deep to be a fart, but it still had the gust to be a quality fart. So I'm calling this one the beefy queef.
This one was called The Fart Won't Start.
You know, I think Alan's got that one.
Probably. We'll give him the point for that one. For round two, what we're gonna do is have them say which one of us would actually do that fart in the first place. Alright, number one will be this.
Come again?
Ew, that sounds,
Well, that's not a fart.
it sounded like it was taken straight from Splatoon. Which one of us three would actually do that fart? Sounds like that.
Dude.
Those pants are ruined for life.
Bro, no one would make that fart and live to tell the tale.
No one,
That's my honest opinion.
no one would record that fart and live to tell the tale.
They get their
Bro,
phone
if you're at
dirty.
ground zero and that happens, you're
Dead.
They get their phone dirty.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Alan.
I said Dominic, because he's always saying, I need to go poop. And it takes like half an hour to 2 hours.
Yeah. It wouldn't take 2 hours if it went like that. I said this was Carson. Mainly because he eats a lot of Taco Bell. If you've seen his New Year's resolution video.
I saw that video.
Yeah, I saw that video. Where were you?
Is the camera off?
No, it's on.
Oh, that was good.
So yeah.
You got your body going all different directions at once. You wouldn't be surprised if something slips.
Alright, these ones are opinions.
My opinion was the right one.
Here's fart number 2. This one's called the drive-by.
Alright,
Alan, you want to go first?
bro. Let's just say I know myself all too well. That's gonna be me. Because sometimes, you know, you just gotta flee the scene of the crime.
You know, I agree. I think that would be Alan as well. Not because of what he said, but, you know, he's got to commute.
Bro,
Needs
it does things to you.
Bro. Okay? You know? I can see him getting a little experimental.
Fart number 3.
Who's laying down the beat? I would say Carson because it's light, jovial, much like his character.
It's fluffy.
But there's one issue with that, is that girls don't fart, so it can't be Carson. So I'm going with Dominic because he provided a beautiful rendition of
You
it as we were
threw
writing.
some shade at Carson right there. I said me. I'm a very musical man. I'm very talented in the musical areas with my...
Do you play music?
You quit band. Alright, that's round 2. For round 3, you guys are going to continue with your scores. 2-1.
Yeah, some
You could say that.
Now it's a try not to laugh.
Well, it is tough when you're sitting here and then out of the corner of your eye you see Carson go.
This one's called the fart squeeze knees.
I can't hear. Look at him.
I didn't lie.
You're doodling. It's
I
against
didn't
the
lie.
rules. Who said you could? I can doodle if I want.
Oh, he got a point for that one. It's tied 2-2. Ooh, the Bronx cheer.
Oh, baby.
Can I just say for the record, I've laughed at every single one of these.
Or is it done yet?
Yes, it's done.
I started writing it, I say.
Okay, 3-2. This one's gonna, ooh, this one's called the uh-oh. Wow, good job.
It's not fun.
Jesus. I expected to keep on
I find it quite immature that you laugh at farts. It's a natural bodily function. Sometimes you just gotta exert some gas.
This one's called King Farther.
King powerful.
The winner of it all is Dominic with a high score of 4 points. This was based off of the Trinity's game, Grace Helbig, Mamrie Hart, and Hannah Hart. We were inspired by them.
What a great end to the video. Hey, subscribe down below and click like if you want more cool videos like this one. Shing!